All right, what's up, guys? Just a quick video on the 1988 Ranger GT. I think probably one of the last videos I did on the truck. Uh, I told you I was having problems with the brakes. The I drove it to the next town over one night, and while I was coming back, the brake fluid started leaking out around this wheel here. And by the time I got back over here to the house, probably about 20 miles, pretty much all my brake fluid had run out, and I really didn't have any brakes at all. Now, this is a 5-speed transmission, so of course I was able to gear it down to stop and slow down and everything. And of course, the emergency brake actually still works on it too. So, but anyway, I had not too long ago, maybe a year or so ago, had the passenger side front brake caliper replaced. So I didn't know. I figured, well, it's probably a brake line or something, probably something that's going to cost me a little money. So I've got, as everybody knows, the 89 GT, the Dodge Ram, and the Buick. So didn't necessarily have to have this one going. So I just went ahead and do what I do best and procrastinated and just parked it and it sat for about 4 months. Of course, I went out obviously and started it, ever so often. But so the Tuesday before Christmas, I went ahead and decided I was going to go ahead and get it in the shop and get it going again so I could start driving it some. So I carried it to a brake shop, like I said, the Tuesday before Christmas. Well, the next morning, like 9:30 the next morning, Wednesday, they called and they had it ready. So get down there to pick it up, and what it was is what they're saying. It was I guess whoever put the brake caliper on and put the line on maybe tightened it down a little too tight and messed up that washer in there, and so that's where it was leaking. Is what I was told. Anyway, guys, $27 out the door to have that fixed. So I don't think I've ever got out of a mechanic shop that cheap ever. I mean, 27 bucks out the door, and it's stopping fine. Of course, running good still. Seems to be running good. Uh, I just did the tune up on it, the full tune up on it, plugs, wires, valve cover gaskets, all that good stuff. About a year or so ago, so or maybe less than a year. I'm not sure, but so yeah, just wanted to give you an update. Um, like I said, I procrastinate a lot, and I had parked it for like 4 months, just let it sit there in the driveway. And obviously, I had other vehicles I could drive, so I wasn't too concerned about it. But yeah, 27 bucks, and like I said, I don't think I've ever got out of a mechanic shop that cheap on anything before. So, knock on wood, hopefully, uh, everything will continue on good on this truck and all the other vehicles too. Uh, as I've said in many other videos, I still got to get the heater core replaced in the Dodge Ram. Technically, as of this very moment, everything, both the Rangers, the Ram, and the Buick, everything's running great. Of course, that's always subject to change, and when you're dealing with these older vehicles, of course, are always seems like they always need something. But yeah, guys, she's running good. She's stopping good, which is the main thing. And just wanted to update on that. So, by the way, it's New Year's Eve tonight, so you guys be safe and everybody have a happy and safe New Year. Catch you on the next one.